What to do, YouTube? Welcome to the Yacht Club. You know, why I'm going to call it the Yacht Club is because everybody want to say, you know, charge is so big, whatever, challenges they so big, 300 they so big, you know, Dodge is big, period, you know, we big and heavy or whatever. But you know, and they just say they boats, you know, like they say, let me drive the boat or whatever. But anyway, you know, I want to say I appreciate y'all for the ones that, you know, subscribe to my channel, you know, like, share, comment, you know, tell your mama, tell your auntie, your grandma, whoever you got to tell to follow my channel, like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right, but anyway, today what we working on, I got some Cutlass mid pipes from Stainless Works. It came in this box right here. You can see they came in that box. What they came with, it already came. They came with a little build material guide or whatever, a little lanyard, a little coffee mug holder, whatever the thing is. And I guess it came with like another parts catalog. These like some little adapters or whatever. But you know, I don't need them small ones. You know I got the big dog. These are the Cutlass mids right here. Yeah, some things been real good. I ain't crinkled or nothing. This right here, the smooth bend is what you call like the mandrel bend or whatever. It ain't got no restrictions for the airflow. You know, everything just smooth, you know, fluently or whatever, rapidly or whatever. Yeah, they nice and thick. I believe these are 3 inches. I believe, yeah, 3 inches. So, you know, we're gonna be hollering down the road. But I'm finna get ready to get up on this car. Stay tuned. Yep, that bolt right there. So we're gonna take off on this side. Then we're gonna have to get some up in there by the fuel rails and return lines. Same for the other side too. It's a little dark under here, but you know, like Jesus said, let there be light. Yeah, we got plenty of light. You can tell this thing pretty low. Speed bump scraping it up. More rusty bolts. That look pretty terrible. And for a lot of y'all that don't know, this, when y'all upgrading to aftermarket exhaust like a 3-inch, it's gonna rub on this bar right here. You know, I guess this is like some sort of a, I don't know if it's gonna be a dry shaft safety loop or whatever, but I don't know. But it's supposed to be 2 of them. The other one got ripped off that was down there. But this one, and there's another one that runs along right here with its light at. So, you know, you're gonna hear some vibrating. It's gonna sound like, you know, something ain't right. So what you wanna do is, you know, just get somebody to the muffler shop, take them off, or, you know, if you like the DIY stuff, just take it off yourself. But other than that, that's about it. If we get to working. Finally got this side loose. As you can see, there is a bolt broken off from a manifold. Story of my life. It'll be all good. I'm gonna try to extract it out. If not, I'm gonna just get some headers, some long tubes. I'll probably lose about 2 or 3 PSI, but I'll pick it up from another mod if I got to, or if I can't get it out. Hopefully them rusty fuckers don't break on me. Couldn't believe it. It's always gotta be that one. It's always. All right, got them both off. As you can see, I broke another one. Well, another one broke on me. Motherfuckers rusted, man. That one came all the way out. That one broke on me. Got my little taps and stuff. Got my drill bits. Milwaukee, they never let me down. Milwaukee, never let your boy down. You can get the drill. So far as the drill bits, they pretty sharp, so they cutting through. You know, I wasn't gonna Harbor Freight, but I don't want to keep running back and forth, so I'm gonna spend a little money and do it the right way the first time. Kind of hold my hand up, stop from shaving from getting everywhere. Oh yeah, it went through real good. See which one of these bits. I have to go with a tad bit bigger bit. But yep, story of my life, man. That's what I've been working on, dealing with all day. Now let's see what we get. Keep on punching at it. I had talked to my tuner. He was telling me that the HELLCAT stock manifolds, which are actually shorty headers, you know, I been knew that, but he was telling me that they pretty much like gold. So just stick with what I got. Why pay $1,500? For 20, 30 extra horsepower. We can pick that up on the back end somewhere else with a tune or shift change or something like that. So I'm gonna heat this boat up. Yeah, this son of a gun ain't twisted. Save his life. Get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, what it do? What it do here? We back. Man, this ended up being one hell of a day. But got one side done so far. Getting it done. Putting this tampon inside this fucking pipe. It's right here. I hear y'all right now. Oh, he ain't using no O2 something like that. Alright, that'll give me about 50 bald eagles. Alright, cool. I'm gonna slide the thing up on there. What it do? Boy, I gotta give me a lift. This on the groundwork, man. Killing me. Yeah, finally got the thing. Gonna put a little Loctite on there. I'm gonna run this top one up there. So far, so good. Then I'll be on to the next one. Might jump on it tomorrow. So I'm tired. But other than that, that's it for right now. Alright, this starting day 2. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Starting the driver's side. Getting knocked out. All right. After 5 or 6 hours of drilling, constant drilling, finally get it. But now I'm gonna have to, it's gonna go from the other side, just like so. As you can see, it goes all the way through. Can't touch my hand. This bitch still hot. Man, look at all them shavings, man. Them motherfuckers all on my ass and everything. Shh. Boy. It's a hard way of living when you own a Hellcat. But other than that, I'm gonna stick it up there. back going.